show you another airdrop video. It is not like hamster combat, it is not like pixel verse those stuff. Okay, this token already been listed on couple of exchanger like Bitget, GetIO. If you noticed here, invite slash USDT spot trading will open at 8 a.m. UTC on August 2nd. Already been listed. Okay, so there's a opportunity to join their airdrop. You can join and you can earn some money on here. So climb in invite token. So Bitget climb invite with Bitget UID, climb invite with Bitget UID, climb invite with get UID. You can get airdrops from two exchanges at the same time if you submit UIDs for exchanges. Okay, so this is their exchange, Bitget and GetIO, maybe you know. So join UX's community. So you can click on and join. Inside of UX you can get update about this project. Okay, so here is the thing is Bitget has an option. Here is they will give you something, and after that they will give you the option of climb. Okay, that is available on here. Your UX UI token would be climb, transfer into this USDT. Okay, your token would be transferred into here. So you are earning now. Okay, if I show you leaderboard, sorry, explore, and here is I did couple of tasks, therefore I get 5 UX UI. Okay, couple of tasks I did, and this 5 UX AI whatever it's